Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is regarding Exim Bank Management Trainees recruitment. So total we have 60 vacancies. So unreserved we have 27, SC having 8, ST having 4 vacancies, and OBC with non-creamy layer certificate. Those people having 16 vacancies, and economically weaker section having 5. And when it comes to academic qualifications, so here we have management trainees. With corporate links, advances, project lead, lines of credit, internal audit and risk management, compliance, treasury and account. Under this departments, the essential academic qualifications are MBA, PGDBA with a specialization in finance, chartered account. Otherwise, MBA, PGDBA course should be of a minimum 2 years full-time duration with a specialization in finance. In case of CA, passing the professional examination is sufficient. Otherwise, minimum 60% aggregate marks equivalent to cumulative grade points are average CGPA in both graduation and post-graduation. So the required percentage is 60% aggregate marks in their graduation and post-graduation degrees. Okay, and one more thing, postgraduates who have completed passed their MBA, PGDBA or chartered accountancy in calendar year 2019 or 2020, are candidates who have appearing for the MBA, PGDBA or chartered accountancy and are expecting their results in the year 2021 are eligible to apply. Okay, it means the results will be expected in 2021. Those people also can eligible for this particular recruitment, right? So these are the educational requirements for this management trainee under these departments. Okay, so just kindly go through this educational qualification whoever belongs to this particular departments. Okay, and next when comes to management trainee in law, so for this vacancies, essential educational qualifications is fresh graduate in law and LLB. Fresh graduates who have completed or passed their graduation in the recent past are eligible to apply. So a requirement is 60% aggregate marks in their graduation. Okay, management trainee, international trade and finance, industry, country risk analysis and economic research. So these are the departments. So under these departments, the essential qualifications are fresh postgraduate in economics with specialization in international trade and our finance economic and our industrial economics and our agricultural economics. So requirement is minimum 60% aggregate marks of their graduation and post graduation. And this is important. And here management trainee under information technology department. Okay, so for this information technology, okay, the required qualification is minimum 60% are equivalent grade in BE BTech degree in computer science or information technology or electronics and communication, or minimum 60% in any graduation course and MCA. Okay, so graduation is any discipline with MCA. Those people require 60% aggregate marks. Those people also eligible for this particular recruitment. And secondly, BE BTech degree in computer science, information technology, electronics and communication. Those people also eligible for this particular management trainee in information technology. So, and next one, management trainee in human resource and HR department, and postgraduates in any discipline with a diploma degree in HR personal management, and 60% marks are required in their graduation and diploma and post graduation. Okay, so these are the required essential requirements for this particular vacancies. And here the stipend per month equals to 40,000 rupees for management trainees. Okay, and for unreserved and EWS candidates having 25 years age and SC/ST having 30 years and OBC 28 years, there is the max age limit. And here cost to company is 17 lakhs per annum approximately. Okay, the company expenses on particular candidate or employee, okay, is 17 lakhs rupees inclusive all allowances. Okay, so for more details please go through this particular notification carefully. And here the application fee is 600 rupees for general and EWS and OBC candidates, 100 rupees intimation charges for SC/ST PWD candidates. Okay, and selection process will comprise of written test and personal interview. The date and timing of the written test will be advised to the shortlisted candidates at a later date. Candidates who are shortlisted based on the performance in the written test will be called for personal interview. These are the certain instructions. Okay, online application last date is December 31st 2020. Okay, anyway, I will attach this document below of this particular video. Please go through that, and you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, please comment on comment box and like the video and share this information with your friend. Thank you.